Hello, all you lovely computer scientists. Today we're showing off the .isspace command in Python. It is one of the Python commands which I feel is more just for niche failsafes, but it's still very nice to have in your back pocket, and it's also very simple to use. It just checks if all the characters inside the string would equate to white space. So in Python there's almost a trend with some of the smaller commands. That is that they are mostly failsafe commands. And one of these commands is .isspace, like so. And what it does is it returns true or false based on one condition. If all the characters inside the string would equate to white space. So only space marks, true. Space marks and a B, false. You can have the \n still be true, because the \n doesn't show up. And it can be a literal string over multiple lines, like so, and it still returns true, but a B returns false. And it is mostly for failsafes, I will admit, such as variable was input, and how we use it as a failsafe is just check if nothing's been entered. Because there are some failsafes which are only for certain other commands, such as .isspace for an input. But there are some good merits to a very specific input. Let's just enter. There's nothing. There's a difference. If we do an empty string, an empty string technically does not contain any characters to be white space. So while it could possibly be white space, it is not white space. And so it returns false. But it helps for bad inputs like a double space, or a single space, or something like that, where someone might input something wrong, might be a bit of a screw up, and it just needs failsafe. Or for just simple little checking if your code is actually going to work properly. Like I know that would print out 2 lines of white space for the reader. Just to give an example. But there are some which are a lot less just basically readable. So little failsafes like this are very nice when you need them, and outside of you needing them, like most of the Python commands, they are just extremely nice to have in your back pocket. Thank you all very much for watching the video. If you enjoyed, please like, comment and subscribe, and please comment especially because I like learning how you learn, and it helps me make better videos which are more educational and more concise.